Year 2, hope you're all right. So this video, I'm only doing a few a week, but this video I think might be quite helpful is to use repeated addition for multiplication. I know there's an explanation on there, but I just want to make it clear because sometimes it's quite hard to sort of picture what that actually means when you're just reading it from a plan. So the children are really good at this. So again, if you're telling your mummy and daddy that you can't do it, well, you can because you've done loads of it at school, but this is just a bit of practice time and just a bit of a time to enjoy and practice revising a mathematical method that you already know. So to use repeated addition for multiplication is basically understanding that when you multiply something, it means that you're adding something that many times. So 3 times 5 is you're adding 5 3 times, so 3 lots of 5. And that is how we learn it at school. So I'm just going to show you. So 4 times 5, this is how you sort of set it out. So 4, you can see that, can't you? Yeah. 4 times 5. And what you do is you use a number line, and sometimes, I know Faraday call it camel humps because it looks sort of like jumps. That's quite a nice way to remember it. Now, obviously, you'd use a ruler, but I don't think I actually own a ruler. Being a teacher, that's not very good, is it? So I'm going to try my hardest to create a straight line. I bet that's a really rubbish line. That's not very good. So this number line, what we're going to do is we're going to do some jumps onto the number line. Now 4 times 5 means 4 lots of 5, or 4 jumps of 5, okay? So if you see that times as jumps of or lots of, we know that we need to do 4 jumps of 5. So I'm going to draw 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see why the children call them camel humps now. Then I always start on 0 when I do my multiplication. I hope you can see that. Just draw that there. I don't think you can see that. And then in each of my jumps, I'm going to add 5. Add 5, add 5, add 5. Now you can use your magic maths for this, or you can count in 5 with your fingers, but when you're on 0 and you add 5, you get to 5. Add another 5, you get to 10. Add another 5, you get to 15. Another 5, you get to 20. And this works for every number sentence there is. Okay, so you could do 6 times 3. Remember, 3 lots of or jumps of. So that means we've got 6 jumps of 3. So I'm going to draw another rubbish number line. There we go. And we've got to fit 6 on there now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start on 0. And I'm adding 3 each time. Again, you can use your magic maths, or you can count along in 3. So 0, add 3 is always 3. Sometimes children find that the hardest. 0, add 3. They think I'm tricking them. So sometimes I have to show them nothing. Adding 3 is only 3. 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, and then 18 is your answer. I forgot to put the answer in there as well. So that is how you do repeated addition on a number line to show multiplication. And on your attachment, there's loads and loads of maths questions that you can get on with. And challenge yourself. If you think, oh, these questions are too easy, go for a different times table. Go for times 7 or times 8, so you can really challenge yourself. But if you think, oh, I think I might stick to the times 5s or 2s and 10s, it's absolutely fine. You don't have to challenge yourself too much. Okay, enjoy. I hope that was useful. And I'm sorry about my presentation. Obviously, yours will be much nicer in your green books. See you later.